What if I told you the camera that shot this cost less than a next-gen console? The industry doesn't want you to know this, but the game has changed. We tested every new release and found 5 budget cameras that break all the rules. One of them has 10-bit video. Another has animal eye autofocus. Their prices will shock you. All the links to find the best deals are in the description below. Let's reveal which cameras are secretly genius. Starting at number 1. Canon EOS 4000D. The best cheap camera. Canon EOS 4000D, Rebel T100, is a DSLR camera that brags about an accurate focus regardless of shooting conditions. If you like taking images and scarce lighting, you'll definitely appreciate its capability to keep graininess low even at high ISO levels. The image quality is on point and all colors and photos are lifelike. The only thing that can cause doubts is a plastic construction without weather protection. This Canon camera can't interest users with such frills as 4K recording and FHD shooting options, but this isn't strange judging by the price. In fact, it is advertised as a photography camera, with AF doing wonders when capturing stills. This is one of the best budget camera for photography which accurately tracks subjects and can even focus on faces. Number 2. Olympus EM10 Mark IV. Beginner-friendly. Olympus EM10 Mark IV boasts a 20MP sensor, which is pretty impressive for a budget camera for photography in this price range. It also offers fast 15 frames per second continuous shooting and 4K video recording, which is great for capturing action and high-quality footage. Another plus is the in-body image stabilization, which helps to reduce camera shake and produce sharper images. Photographers also appreciate the handy time-lapse feature that allows you to take 99 frames and automatically create a movie. The LCD screen is another standout feature of this Olympus camera, as it tilts up to 90 degrees and flips down 180 degrees. This makes it perfect for taking selfies and vlogging, allowing you to easily frame yourself in the shot. Number 3. Canon EOS M50. Universal for photo and video. Canon EOS M50 is among the best cheap cameras for photography with 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen. This touchscreen is incredibly responsive and offers a high level of usability. It allows you to navigate through the camera settings and menu options with ease. Additionally, it displays helpful features such as a live histogram, leveling gauge, and alignment grids. Another advantage of this cheap Canon camera is its improved autofocus system. With 143 selectable focus points, it provides reliable and fast autofocus, even in low-light conditions. Also offers the ability to shoot 4K videos, which is a welcome addition. Number 4. Sony A6100. Sharp detailed photos. Sony A6100 is specifically designed as a mirrorless camera for beginners and is an entry-level APS-C device which can be also used as an efficient backup camera for experienced photographers. It comes with a hot shoe for accessories, a pop-up flash, and a tilting LCD screen, which makes it easier to frame shots from different angles. One of the biggest advantages of this cheap high-quality camera is that it uses the same 24-megapixel sensor as its predecessor, allowing it to produce high-quality images. Additionally, it can be used with any E-mount lenses designed for the same APS-C crop sensor, giving you more options for lens choices. Number 5. Canon EOS RP. Compact and lightweight. If you want a camera under $1,000 with a big sensor, Canon EOS RP is worth checking out. It has a proprietary Digic 8 processor and reliable AF, so your shooting experience will be enjoyable. With a continuous focus, burst rates can drop to 4f/s, but autofocus does an amazing job at locking it on. Though this cheap digital camera has a large 26.2MP full-frame sensor, its dimensions are impressively small. Besides, the body is well made. Similar to EOS R, it has an RF mount. Though the range of native lenses is limited, you can use a bundled adapter to connect existing EF glass options. So, which of these champions is going to help you tell your story? Let me know your number 1 pick in the comments below. If this video saved you from overspending or analysis paralysis, do us a huge solid, hit that like button, it truly helps us out. Share this with a fellow creator who needs to see it, and subscribe and hit the bell because we're testing a lens next week that defies all physics. All the product links to check current prices are in the description. Now go make something amazing.